Hi everyone, it's Janice. I did a MINISO haul in Torrance since I flew back home for the holidays, and I was like just browsing, trying to do some holiday shopping, and I came across two of these. So I want to do a mystery box unveiling. And I'm so excited. So I'm actually do the first. This one is the Peach PuPu, Peach PuPu, Peach PuPu, and there's like these characters that you can get. Hopefully you can see it, but I kind of want maybe this one. This is funny. They're all cute. That's why I was like, I don't really care what I get. So I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna open this one first, and then I'll open the Pachacco one. And the Pachacco one is like really cute design too. It's like super cute. But the Pachacco one, you can get pretty cute characters. And I like all of them. But I kind of want this one. Or maybe this one. But I see all of them are pretty cute too, so I really don't care. Okay, first one. I'm open the Peach PuPu. The Peach PuPu. Okay. Let me just put my stuff here. Okay. Today is actually December 14th. I flew back home yesterday from DC. My mom picked me up from LAX. I think it feels really good to be home. So yeah, ooh, it's a hefty one. So inside comes a Peach PuPu card. Okay, let's keep this. I find that the ones from MINISO are just, the ones from things are just so hard to like guess which one you get. Oh, this one is, oh my god, it comes with a duck. How cute. So this one comes, it's like that, and has a little duck. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm surprised it doesn't come with a stand or anything like that. Would it have ball? Okay. That's so cute. That's so cute. And a little toothbrush. It's holding a toothbrush. How cute. That's so cute. And then it's a separate part of the bag. And it comes with a little duck. And so it's like this. I wonder if you put them together or something. No. It's like legit, like, it's how it is put in this. The box is like this. This is how it is in the box. So, just this. Super cute though. I like it. I like it. Not bad. Not bad for a Peach PuPu. Okay, and the character, it comes like this. Gotcha. Okay. So that was the Peach PuPu. Now is the big unveiling of the Pachacco. And I bought extras because I wanted to give it to my friend Andrew because he likes Pachacco. And I bought an extra couple other ones too for friends that I thought they would like. So I'm not gonna read this. I don't know if it's this way or this way. I'm not gonna read it because I don't want to be surprised when I open the box. It's a duck, so I'm pretty sure it's the one I wanted. So it's a little duck. Whatever this is. Chicken? Chick? A chick? Oh my god! Everybody! I don't know if you can see it. That's super cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. So I got two that had little chicks next to them. That's so funny. I would. It's so hard to. Oh, and then the Pachacco. Oh, it's this way. Ah. I like how they all have little buddies. Oh my god. I thought I'd be able to sit it up. Da, 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 da. How cute. No, feel okay. But yeah, so Pachacco and his little buddy. Super cute. And then PuPu Peach PuPu, and this one. So far, I like them. I really like them. And then little buddy. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I would recommend doing this. It's actually fun. It's like nerve-wracking when you first choose it, because when I went to the store, I tried like shaking to see like, oh, what might it be? But yeah, I'm glad I got them, to be honest. So yes, Peach PuPu, and Pachacco. So I like it. 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching my unveiling. Yay.